Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted destination for the most in-depth gear reviews across the UK and beyond. Today, we've got a real standout in the running shoe world. If you're looking for the best running cushioned sole sneakers, your search might just be over. We're diving deep into the Skechers women's max cushioning Endeavour Canova sneaker. From performance to comfort and design, we're breaking it all down so you can decide if it's the right fit for your feet. Let's start with the design. The Endeavour Canova sneakers are all about maximum cushioning without the bulk. The silhouette features a breathable mesh outer material that's designed to be both flexible and supportive. It gives off a sleek and sporty vibe, especially in the black and white colorway. They've kept the look clean and modern, making these suitable not just for road running but also for casual wear. The lace-up closure offers a secure and adjustable fit, making them reliable during long runs or even walks through the city. Now, let's talk about what sets these sneakers apart: the cushioning. Skechers has used their max cushioning design philosophy here, and it shows. The ultra-light midsole is incredibly responsive, meaning you get just the right balance of support and bounce back. For anyone clocking in serious miles, this makes a noticeable difference. Add to that the air-cooled Goga matte insole, which offers high rebound comfort while keeping your feet cool. It's not just soft underfoot, it's performance engineered to keep your stride smooth and fatigue-free. Another feature worth noting is Skechers' natural rocker technology. This is built into the sole and aids in creating a natural heel-to-toe transition. You'll feel that rolling motion with every step, which helps in reducing pressure on the joints and promotes a more efficient stride. The outsole is made of durable rubber, giving you good traction on pavement and typical running surfaces. As for maintenance, it's as easy as it gets. These sneakers are machine washable. Just wash them cold and air dry, and they're good to go again. In terms of fit, Skechers has made sure there's something for everyone. These are available in both medium and wide widths, which is a huge plus for runners who need a little extra space or a snugger fit. The sizing is accurate, and the materials adjust well to your foot's shape over time. Though performance is clearly the highlight, the all-day comfort means you can wear these beyond your running routine, whether it's errands, travel, or work. To wrap it up, the Skechers women's max cushioning Endeavour Canova sneaker isn't just another pair of trainers. It's built for serious comfort, consistent support, and day-to-day versatility. If cushioning is your priority, this is hands down one of the best choices out there. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a drop. See you in the next one.